Hey, I'm Joey from Dad Simply Cooking. We're walking through a winter wonderland today, y'all.
Santa's coming down the chimney, ho, ho, with a grin. Smells my Christmas cookies and he dives right in. Chocolate chips flying, frosting on his beard. Dad simply cooking Christmas, best time of the year.
So go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 and walk through this winter wonderland with me. Because today, we've already made Santa's favorite cookie, but we got to travel there first. We got to walk through this winter wonderland to get there. And y'all, this is going to be good. So here we have our ingredients, and I'm ready if you're ready. Let's get a big mixing bowl. We're going to get our 2 sticks of butter for 1 cup of butter. We're using unsalted butter. I got my little hand mixer. I wish I had a better mixer. This mixer kind of sucks, but it will do the process. I have 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. I'm going to start with mixing in by hand to start with. And my butter's been sitting out all day. It's at room temperature, so it's going to be easy to work with. Go ahead and get your mixer out. I'll take my mixture. Mixing it all around. And then we're just going to add our eggs. Make sure you do it one at a time. Get it incorporated. 2 points. All right. Don't judge me. Once you get those eggs mixed in nicely, we're going to go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Get that all baseline and incorporated. Okay, so in with my flour, I'm going to add my baking soda, baking powder, and my salt. And then we're going to whisk this up because we want to evenly incorporate that into our flour. Once you feel that is incorporated enough, what we're going to do, we're going to slowly start incorporating our flour into our sugar. So these are 1/2 cups. And slowly just start building it in. And trust me, I know the instinct is just to throw it all in at once and get the party going. For you men out there, that don't work. I've made hot cocoa cookies twice now, and it ain't worked. So you gotta go slow, okay? You gotta go this way. You gotta incorporate everything, get those things built in. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with some crappy cookies. And it took me the hard way of really trying to figure out how to do this to get the right cookie. So don't dad it up. That'll be good enough right there. Now I got a cup of white chocolate, a cup of chocolate chips, and a cup of M&Ms. Blue and white M&Ms. That's what I'm aiming for. Going with a Winter Wonderland theme. Now at this point we can actually just start incorporating in ourselves by hand tossing, because these cookies are going to be ready. So my main goal is I just want to make sure everybody gets a little bit of loving with the chocolate of chips. Time to grab our pans. I'm going to spray them. And I got my scooper. You can put it in the fridge if you want to. I don't want to. One. My Santa's favorite cookie video, we ended up doing 2 giant cookies at the end. And we're going to do the same again. Cookies. More festive M&Ms up top. That's right. Hershey Kiss candy canes. And this is going to be more or less a garnish. Winter Wonderland Cookies. We're on our way to the North Pole. Santa's on his sleigh, bringing toys and galore. He comes down your chimney and he sees a Winter Wonderland cookie. He's going to be jumping for joy. Look at that. Winter Wonderland galore. 100%. 100%. Winter Wonderland cookie is going to get you on the nice list. For sure. Wow. Look at these big cookies we made. Santa coming down the chimney for these. Faux show. Faux show. See how there you have it. First cookie was technically second cookie on our Winter Wonderland expedition of the Cookie-thon. I love you, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!